Wow, look at that cumulonimbus formation. I've never seen anything like it in person. Wait, is that electricity?
Oh no, it's getting faster! Are you getting this, camera?
Everyone remain calm, but let's seek shelter just in case.
He's right. Move quickly to the designated safety zones. Central, this is Officer Stud. The storm is intensifying rapidly. We need immediate evacuation of the main square.
All units, massive storm front approaching the city square.
Initiate emergency protocols immediately. I repeat, this is not a drill. The storm is accelerating. We need to evacuate the square now, Mayor!
The storm is accelerating, sir. Activate the citywide alert immediately. Evacuation is now mandatory.
Everyone, move to the bunker now! This is not a drill!
As you can see, the vortex is expanding rapidly. We need to initiate the phase shield immediately.
Understood, Mayor. I'm mobilizing the response units now.
Stella, the storm is accelerating. We are initiating full evacuation protocol. Get everyone to the bunker immediately. Over.
Look out! It's coming! We have to run! Get to cover!
This is Officer Stud. All units converge on the main square. Citizens, evacuate immediately to the emergency bunker. Go, go, go! We have to go now. Take my hand. What about my camera? Leave it. Run.
Readings are confirming a Category 5 event. We need to initiate Phase 3 evacuations immediately. That trajectory is unacceptable. We need to initiate the Phase 3 evacuation protocol now. Vortexes. That's impossible. We need to initiate the evacuation protocol immediately. Attention, this is an emergency broadcast. A massive storm is approaching the city. Please seek shelter immediately. Attention, Lego City. This is Mayor Brickman. We are monitoring the situation closely. Please stay indoors and await further instructions. We are prepared. The storms are accelerating faster than projected. Alert the district commanders. We are moving to Code Crimson.
Mayday, Mayday. This is Control to Bunker 4. The structural integrity is failing. Get out while you still can.
Get back! Look at the storm! What is that? It's gonna be okay, Alex. We're safe in here. We just need to hold tight.
Is there any word from the surface? Are they sending help?
We just got a signal. They're on their way, Alex.
Wait! Look at the vorticity signature. There's a gap in the outer band. We need to hit it now!
We must initiate the stabilization matrix immediately. That is the only way to save the city.
This holographic projection highlights the epicenter. We deploy the stabilizers here and here, simultaneously. It's the only way to protect the city center.
We have a narrow window here. We must move through this gap with absolute precision, or we risk everything.
We have to reroute the main power core before the breach seals.
Get to Sector Gamma.
Here's the grappling hook, Officer Stella. I hope it helps.
Thank you, Alex. We have to move faster! The tornadoes are getting closer!
I've never seen anything like this.
Alex, stay behind me! We're almost at the bunker!
Okay, the compass says this way, but the map doesn't match the landmarks. Everything's changed.
Look at that! The structural integrity is completely compromised right here.
I told them those support beams were unstable.
Almost there. It's connected.
Officer Stud, look! Over there!
Look, Officer Stella! It's forming right there! It's getting bigger! Hang on, Alex! I'm almost finished! I'm almost finished! The stabilizers are locking in now! Run! Alex, get to cover now! We're running out of time! It's done! Get out of here! I can't believe we made it! That was incredible! The sky is clear! Wow, look at how clear the sky is getting! This is beautiful!
Attention, citizens. This is your mayor.
Thanks to the efforts of our team, Lego City is secure once again.
Stella, the situation is under control. The city is safe! We faced the storm and stood strong. Now we rebuild. Together.
Stella, your bravery saved the day. And Alex here documented it all.
Just doing my job, Mayor.
Look at this one, Mayor. The funnel cloud was massive, swirling right over the water tower.
Well done.
Citizens of Lego City, we have faced darkness, but look around you. We will rebuild, brick by brick, stronger than before.
Keep the bricks coming!
This new wall looks amazing!
We'll have this rebuilt in no time. All right, team. Let's get these red bricks cleared from the fountain area first. You two, grab the wheelbarrow.
Yes, officer.
Look how fast it's coming together.
We'll be stronger than before. Keep those bricks moving.